Morning all. Happy New Year from Dynodaze. Hope everyone is well. Well, Happy New Year. As you can see, first job on the Monday morning back is the daily diesel Colt, and it's having the full health checks at Dynodaze. Noticed a few issues straight away, but we can solve them. As you can see down here, that's the hose is broken, so we get a new one, pop that in there. We do a silicone hose for the diesel Colt, so we'll do that. He'll have a service, probably some glow plugs, etc, and we'll go from there. So yeah, Jason's going to do its health checks on the ramps in a moment. There's the lads, they're looking happy. Good morning.
Good morning.
Happy 2021.
Nothing's any different, man.
Really?
When COVID's gone, I might celebrate a little bit. Until then,
I don't think it'll ever be gone, my friend, but this isn't a political channel, so let's talk about cars. I told Jason to get his bar out, he's laughing. Right, okay, considering it's done 170,000 miles, it's not a bad list, to be fair. So Jason was saying it needs disc and pads.
yeah, if you can see here, quite corroded, got a nice big lip on them.
Yeah, okay, so we'll get them done. Lower arm bushes. Yeah, again, it's done 170,000 miles. This one's particularly bad. Yeah, that's moving all over the shop, ain't it?
Yep.
So we'll get lower arms on it.
Put a pair of drop links on at the same time, so you've got to take them off to do the lower arms.
Yeah, new drop links.
Yeah, we've got rear axle bushes.
Yeah.
Bag considering it's 170,000 miles.
Yeah, playing that, so we'll get some in there.
Yeah. That's about it, really, Dan.
Yeah, so we're going to do an oil and filter. We're going to do a service, and then we're going to do those parts. Yeah.
No, it's not bad considering it's 170,000.
Yeah. But you've got to remember, Jason, it's a £200 car. What do you expect for £200? Now, you could, because it's got an MOT, you could just drive this until the MOT ran out, and you'd have had your £200 worth, really. It done 52 miles per gallon on a 15-mile journey this morning. So,
I've seen cars on 58,000 miles or something like that, and nowhere near as clean as this one.
no, remember that rally art that we did recently? Yeah. And it had that massive list of stuff to do on it?
Well,
yeah.
That rotten Colt as well that we had last year.
The blackened?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was rotten, wasn't it? And that had done half the miles this had.
Yeah.
Yeah, good stuff. Okay, well, let's get cracking. Parts on order.
Fit the ITG panel filter.
ITG panel filter.
And I'm just fitting the Dynodaze intake hose. It's a bit dirty because
It's a bit dirty because you've got dirty hands in this first job back.
It's a bit dirty diesel.
I want my sticker on there somewhere, bro.
Yeah, I'll slap it on somewhere.
Slap it on the top of that airbox, or the side of that airbox if you can.
All right,
yeah, so that'll fix that problem. Where's the old hose? In the bin, chucked it. So this is a common problem, which is why we developed these hoses. Yeah, they break. They're shitty.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. So is that the EGR back in?
I think that's just a breather, Daniel. Could be wrong. I think it's just a rocker covered breather.
Okay. Good stuff, Jason, good stuff. Here's what the cat looks like on the diesel Colt. Now this is actually out of a different vehicle. But they're worth about 70 quid. So this one's off to the cat man. Okay, well apparently I've given Jason a really shitty job, because he's going to do 3 glow plugs on this diesel Colt, and he's not feeling very happy about it. No. It is. I'll give you that it's Monday.
First day back after the holidays.
Sorry, Jason.
Monday.
Well, I'm home. That's the end of a long day. It's R5. It did 45.7 miles per gallon on the way home today. Did about 50 on the way to work. Today I have done, or Jason has done, lower arms at a full service, including glow plugs. That's cost me around 300 quid in total with everything. So our budget now stands at £500 for the daily runner. So thanks for watching the video, guys, and don't forget it is the start of the month, so we are giving away merchandise. So if you want to get yourself a Dynodaze hoodie or a hat, then make sure you like it and comment it on this video, and we'll get some out to you. If you win, good luck. Cheers, guys. Oh, it's dark out here. Oh, we mustn't forget that it also had some brakes. So it's got some new distant pads.